Alright, in this video we're going to simplify this fraction, so we've got some order of operations to do first. So let's start with the bottom. We've got negative 3 minus 4 minus 5. So there's a few different ways of doing this. Yeah, good job. So a few different ways. One way is if you think I'm in debt $3 and then I spend 4, now I'm in debt by 7 and then subtract 5. I'm in debt by $7. I spend $5. Now I'm in debt by 12. Or the other way is you can change your subtractions to plus negative, blam, 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 right? And it's negative 3 plus negative 4 plus negative 5. 3 bad guys plus 4 bad guys plus 5 bad guys. That's 12 bad guys. So the bottom becomes negative 12. On the top, remember, the square brackets are just like any other parenthesis. It doesn't, whether it's these parentheses or square brackets, they're the same thing. It's just a different grouping symbol, right? So when we're doing our order of operations, PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract, we do parentheses first, but we do the innermost. So these are the innermost in the 3 minus 5. So what does this make? 3 subtract 5. Right. I have $3. I spend 5. I'm in debt by 2. Or you can change subtraction to plus negative. Blam, blam. 3 good guys and 5 bad guys is 2 bad guys. And so then just write out the whole thing again. Take your time. Be patient. Don't try to do it all in one step. Just do one step at a time. And in the innermost square brackets, or the square parentheses, the square brackets, we have negative 2 minus 8. So just take one step and figure that out. What is negative 2 minus 8? Good job. I'm in debt $2. I spend 8. Now I'm in debt by 10. Or you can change the subtraction to plus negative, and it says 2 negatives plus 8 negatives makes 10 negatives. 2 bad guys and 8 bad guys, 10 bad guys, right? So now we have 2 minus negative 10. So, what does this make? 2 subtract negative 10. So subtracting a negative is like canceling a bill of $10, like something like a parking ticket, all right? Which is usually more than that, might be more like $50. But imagine there was a parking ticket for $10. All right, here's the parking ticket for $10. And it's a bad thing. Like, you don't want to have this parking ticket. You don't want it, right? But what if somebody subtracts that, takes it away? What does that feel like? If you have a parking ticket for $10 and somebody takes that away, does that make you feel good or bad? Well, you had it and I took it away. I said, I'll pay that. I'll take that from you. I took your parking ticket. This is yours and I took it. You feel good, right? Because it's your parking ticket and I took it away. So you feel good. It's be kind of like me giving you $10, right? So taking away a debt is the same thing as giving $10 in cash, isn't it? If I took away your parking ticket, that's the same thing as me giving you $10, right? So subtracting a negative is like giving a positive. Subtract negative, you can go blam, blam, plus, plus, and now it says 2 plus positive 10. Positive 12, right? So on the top we have positive 12. So let's take this slowly. It's positive 12 over negative 12. Positive over negative makes negative, yeah. And 12 over 12 is 1. I mean, if I want to, I can write it like this. Negative 12 over 12 or negative 1. But yeah, it's positive over negative is negative. 12 over 12 is 1. So negative 1 is the answer. Good job.